Now we will see fourth example from exercise. A calorimeter has mass 1000 gram and specific heat 0.1 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius. It contains 250 gram of liquid at 30 degree Celsius having specific heat of 0.4 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius. If we drop a piece of ice of mass 10 gram at 0 degree Celsius, what will be the temperature of the mixture? Now given things are M1 mass is equal to 100 gram. C1 is equal to 0.1 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius. That is equal to 0.1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. T1 is equal to 30 degree Celsius. M2 is equal to 250 gram. C2 is equal to 0.4 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius. That is equal to 0.4 calorie per gram degree Celsius. T2 is equal to 30 degree Celsius. M3 is given, that is 10 gram. T3 is 0 degree Celsius. L is equal to 80 calorie per gram. And specific heat of water, that is C of water, is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. And here we have to calculate mixture, means temperature of the mixture. We have to calculate. Now first of all we will write the respective formulas for Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Q1, that is heat loss by calorimeter, that is equal to M1C1 into bracket T minus T1. Q2, that is heat loss by liquid, which is equal to M2C2 into bracket T minus T2. Q3, heat absorbed by ice, that is equal to M3 into L. Q4 is heat absorbed by water formed on melting of ice, that is equal to M3 into bracket T minus 0 degree Celsius. Therefore, according to the principle of heat exchange, Q1 plus Q2 is equal to Q3 plus Q4. Now we will put respective values of Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Q1 value is M1C1 into bracket T1 minus T plus M2C2 into bracket T2 minus T. This is Q2, which is equal to Q3 is M3 into L plus Q4 is M3 into C into bracket T minus 0 degree Celsius. Now this M1C1 will multiply to each factor of the bracket, that is M1C1 will multiply to T1 also and M1C1 will multiply to T also. So it will becomes M1C1 into T1 minus M1C1 into T plus this M2C2 will multiply to each factor of the bracket, that is M2C2 into T2 minus M2C2 into T, that is equal to M3 plus L plus M3C into T, M3C into T. Therefore, M1C1 T1 plus M2C2 T2 is equal to M3L plus M1C1T. Here we are taking this M1C1T1 and this M1C1T terms on one side only. So here M1C1T1 will be as it is and this will together with M2C2T2, that is equal to M3L, that is also as it is, plus this M1C1T, this is negative on left hand side, but when it will come right hand side it will be positive, that is M1C1T plus this will be M2C2T2. Okay, this is here only. Now this term is M2C2T, this is negative here. So when it will come right hand side it will become positive plus M3C into T, this is as it is. So those terms are coming from left hand side to right hand side. It will become positive. If they are negative then it will become positive. And in terms of those terms, those who are negative or positive, then their sign will change when their side will change. Means left hand side will be there, and if they are coming in right hand side, then obviously their side sign will change. Now from this M1 C1 T1 will be as it is plus M2 C2 T2, that is equal to M3 L plus, from all these three factors T will be common, so M1 C1 plus M2 C2 plus M3 into C. So here we are putting all the values, respective values we will put, and after that what multiplication will get, that we will see. Now from this 100 into 0.1 into 30, it will be 300 plus 250 into 0.4 into 30, it will be 3000, which is equal to 10 into 80 means 800 plus 100 into 0.1 means 10 only. 250 into 0.4 means 100. Actually it is coming 1000, but here decimal point is there, that's why it is coming 100 plus 10 into 1, 10 as it is into T. Now 3000 plus 300 will come 3300, that is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 10, that is 110 plus 10, that is 120 into T. So 3300 minus, when here 800 is positive, when it will come left hand side it will be negative, minus 800, that is equal to 120 into T. Therefore 3300 minus 800 will be 2500, that is equal to 120 into T. Therefore T is equal to 2500 upon 120. So here we will cut 0 0, then it will be 250 upon 12. So this division we are going to do in case of working column. So 250 divided by 12, this division is coming 20.83. So therefore T is equal to 20.83 degree Celsius, and therefore the temperature of the mixture will be 20.83 degree Celsius.